Hello again, and welcome to this presentation where we go in depth in Zara's supply chain management and derive an analysis. To give you a short recap once again, the fashion mogul was founded in 1974 in Spain by Amancio Ortega and Rosalia Mera. Currently, the parent company is Inditex Coop, headquartered in Arteixo, Galicia, Spain. Zara has global presence, around 3,000 to 5,900 stores worldwide, and an estimated revenue of 21.9 billion in the year 2019. Amongst its customers, Zara targets women aged 24 to 35 with 11,000 distinct items annually in its product range. They design new categories every 2 weeks compared to other competitors with new designs every 2-3 months. Zara's inventory management turns 12 per year versus 3-4 for competitors. Here's the structure of Zara's supply chain. The center, called the Cube, is an automated distribution center. There are 11 factories within a 16-kilometer radius of the Cube. Short production runs to maintain flexibility and urgency. 20% of the manufacturing comes from Spain, 26% comes from other European countries, and the rest, 24%, from Asia and Africa. Here's a SWOT analysis of Zara's SCM. Strengths are quick response to trends, control over supply chain, efficient operations, and data-driven decisions. Weaknesses: high costs of supply chain, complex logistics, and heavy reliance on European manufacturing. Opportunities: growing demands of sustainability, expansion of e-commerce, and advances in automation and AI. Threats: extensive competition, vulnerabilities in terms of economy, and strict regulations. About the logistics and distribution, speed is about 24 to 72 hours in global deliveries. Zaragoza handles its global logistics. Stores get deliveries twice a week. Items are ready for display upon arrival, reducing the market time. Competitive advantages: quickly adapts to trends and preferences, minimizes excess inventory and markdowns. Based on market demand, high in-store visit frequency with updated product lines, focus on store presence, and large ad campaigns. Challenges posed to Zara and innovations. Real-time supply chain requires continuous adjustments and monitoring. Sustainability efforts to reduce carbon footprint and optimize SCM as a fast fashion brand. Zara demonstrated resilience and adaptability during the COVID-19 pandemic as well. Its success is built on agile and responsive supply chain, allowing it to stay ahead in the fast-paced industry. Advanced logistics, efficient manufacturing, and strategic market positioning create a robust business model, and that is difficult for competitors to replicate. Currently, Zara operates over 7,000 stores globally and has seen significant growth in online sales. The company continues to experience strong revenue growth driven by global demand. Zara is committed to sustainability, aiming for zero waste and reducing its carbon footprint. Its agile supply chain ensures rapid product turnover and minimal inventory, keeping Zara competitive in the fast-paced fashion industry. A little something about Zara's speedy supply chain. On day one, a designer in Spain creates a new sketch of clothing. On day 2 to 5, a pattern maker creates a prototype. In the following 2 weeks, fabric is cut, new clothes are sewn. On the next 10 days, an apparel is driven to distribution center, the Cube. In the next 5 days, the new items arrive in Manhattan and put on display. Here's an overview of SCM best practices in this industry. Agility and responsiveness gives fast fashion brands rapid product cycle and frequent inventory turnover. Leveraging real-time data and analysis enables informed decision making throughout the management chain. Vertical integration maintains control from production to retail. Local sourcing keeps proximity to key market and ensures faster turnaround time. These practices are crucial in navigating the dynamic landscape of fast fashion. The intervention of Technology streamlines operations to minimize excess inventory and optimize efficiency. Inventory, when kept lean, embraces eco friendly practices and materials to foster sustainability. These advancements not only enhance operational efficiency but also promote sustainable practices aligning with modern environmental and economic needs. Now, let's explore Zara's effective supply chain strategies. Frequent inventory updates are done twice weekly in Zara, ensuring rapid turnover and fresh collections. With 60% of products made in house, Zara achieves agility and swift responses to market trends. All products are shipped to Spain for global distribution, ensuring consistency and centralized control. Zara collaborates closely with suppliers and employs just in time manufacturing, minimizing lead times and costs. Leveraging real time data for sales, tracking, and stock management, Zara optimizes supply chain efficiently. Zara collaborates closely with suppliers and employs just in time manufacturing, minimizing lead times and costs. Leveraging real time data for sales, tracking, and stock management, Zara optimizes supply chain efficiently.
Zara's supply chain is marked by design and production integration with in house control over 60% of production. Centralized distribution through Spanish hubs ensures global uniformity. Zara's biweekly inventory updates bring new stock arrivals frequently. Real time data utilization enhances inventory and sales tracking, while strategic supplier partnership and just in time manufacturing reduce cost and lead times. This approach enables Zara to swiftly respond to fashion trends and consumer demands, maintaining a competitive edge in the fast fashion industry. Zara prioritizes flexibility and agility over low cost and cheap labor. They employ about 3,000 workers in Spain, paying an average of 11 euros per hour compared to 0.80 euros per hour in Asia. Zara's Spanish factories utilize flexible manufacturing systems for quick changeover operations. Half of Zara's products are manufactured in Spain, 26% in the rest of Europe, and 24% in Asia and Africa. This strategy supports rapid adaptation to market trends and maintains product quality. Continuous adjustments and tweaks need to be made to factory rates, vehicle, delivery routes, and schedules to keep this supply chain working well. Here is a representation of how Zara does that. As you can see, with the green and blue lines cutting through the continent of Europe from Poland to France to UK to Germany, represented by a few notes marked by the delivery trucks in this figure. Zara has came up with a unique delivery route that connects its manufacturing units across the continent with its stores. Additionally, the brand keeps multiple variants of raw fabric on hand. A basic items pack with 200 products is always available in multiple products quantities. These are just two examples of the various innovative strategies Zara has employed to keep up with its magnificently efficient supply chain. Here is a map zoom in of Zara's logistic hub in Zaragoza, Spain. Product deliveries are made from this hub. A pack of 200 items multiplied by 25 of this quantity is uploaded in each of the shipment trucks that come to this hub, and this is from where all our products are dispatched from the cube. Zara's supply chain is designed for speed and flexibility. They can design, produce, and deliver new items to stores in just 15 days with bi weekly inventory updates ensuring fresh products. All inventory is routed through two central distribution centers in Spain, managed by advanced logistic and tracking systems. Real time sales data guides inventory decisions and design adjustments, while point of sale system track sales and customer preferences feeding back into the supply chain.
Now I will introduce the suggested options. Our first option focuses on supply chain. Here, we can leverage lower labor costs in some regions to potentially reduce costs and improve profit margins. Additionally, larger production facilities can handle higher demand and react faster to trends. Partnering with smaller flexible vendors allows for quicker adjustments in production volume based on customer needs. It's important to consider the potential downsides of option 1. Moving production offshore can mean less control over quality and working conditions. Additionally, relying on overseas suppliers can lead to delays and disruptions in the supply chain. Finally, ethical sourcing practices become even more critical when considering offshore production. Our second option focuses on marketing. Here, we can leverage social media data to target younger generations who are highly active online. Big data analysis of social media trends can help us identify and capitalize on emerging styles, allowing us to stay ahead of the curve. Finally, building online communities fosters customer engagement and brand loyalty. There are also considerations of option 2. Relying on social media data raises concerns about user privacy. Additionally, many brands are already using similar social media marketing strategies, so Zara will need to find ways to stand out. Finally, building a strong online community requires genuine interaction, and inauthentic marketing tactics can damage Zara's reputation. Now, let's compare option 1 and option 2. Option 1 has the advantage of reducing costs and increasing productivity, which can directly increase profitability and reduce time to market. However, its disadvantages are that it may reduce product quality and control and create potential ethical issues. In addition, over-reliance on overseas production may also make the supply chain more fragile and vulnerable to external factors. Option 2 focuses on increased marketing and brand building, which could increase brand awareness, customer loyalty, and market share. However, its effectiveness depends on Zara's ability to effectively utilize data analytics and social media platforms and build authentic interactions with customers. If done well, option 2 can help Zara build a stronger, more resilient supply chain as customer needs and fashion trends are reflected more effectively. To summarize, option 1 offers a quick solution but may come with long-term risks, while option 2 requires a long-term investment but has the potential for more sustainable rewards. Zara will need to weigh the pros and cons of both options and make a choice based on its own situation. A hybrid approach might be most advantageous. Zara can leverage big data for marketing while maintaining some in-house production for quality and faster response times. Exploring ethical sourcing practices is crucial to mitigate risks and enhance brand reputation.
This presentation was brought to you by our dedicated team, which comprises of me, Himani Saha, D. Kriti Rao, and Chang Ting, bringing our own unique point of view of Zara's supply chain management, our first fashion mogul of whose practice SCM we have become a fan of evinced in this presentation. Thank you for listening.